Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started in today's video. Alright you guys, so today's video is going to be the Viridescence palette by Beauté. I picked this up at TJ Maxx for $7.99 and this palette is absolutely beautiful. Here's the inside. This is just a perfect, beautiful, simple color story, but there are just some shades that really stand out, like some of the greens, the blue grays, just really, really pretty. So we're gonna do kind of a simple look today. We're in the path of some really dangerous storms, so I just kind of wanted to get something done quickly, something simple but yet beautiful. So that's what the goal is today. Also, like, just weird stuff happens that just cannot be explained. Like, I went to turn on my camera and everything was like moved around and like out of sorts with my tripod and everything. Anyway, my camera was like 24 millimeters, my lens, which like there's no reason for that because I filmed the last couple days and I haven't touched it. So like that makes no sense how that would happen. Someone would have had to have gone to it and like zoomed or unzoomed my lens and like that, no, that just wouldn't have happened. So weird stuff happens in my house. It can't be explained. I don't know. But let's go ahead and let's get started. I'm trying to be like, do I want to do the same look or different looks? I guess we can do different. One more warm toned, one more cool toned. Let's go with that. So let's start with the more, I guess, kind of cool toned look. And we're going to start with the shade Mother Earth right here. I feel like Beauté is just a brand that does not get enough recognition. They have some really, really good eyeshadows, beautiful, beautiful palettes out there, and I don't know, I don't ever really hear anyone talking about them, which is just kind of sad because, again, they have some really, really awesome products out there, especially when it comes to eyeshadows. Speaking of eyes and eyeshadows, and allergies, my eye, just my lid itself, the skin on it is starting to get really, really irritated. This is what happens to me every time it gets warm. This eye is a little bit, but this is always my bad eye when it comes to that. I've got some like little eye scrub towelette things that I use on it, and there'll probably be a day coming up here soon where I can't really wear eyeshadow because it is so irritated. So yay spring, those allergies, the hot weather coming, all the crap in the air, it really does get to me. Okay, so that was a good little foundation there. I want to take another brush and just put down let's go with the shade Full Bloom, which is the shade right here. Just kind of like deepen that crease up just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. This is just a simple, easy look today. I'm like debating, like, is it safe to even like leave the house with the storms that they're predicting? It's probably not. I wanted to try and get out of the way so I don't bother my husband because he has to work today, so I don't wake him up. But I'm like, I don't know that it's safe to leave. I would like to get out. It's my 4-day weekend, but Mother Nature has other plans and you cannot control those. So I'll probably just, I don't know, hang around the house, maybe go to my mom's. I was there yesterday, and I think one of my brothers is going to be there, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so now I want to... The shade Tea Leaves is just looking really, really pretty. So I kind of want to go in with that shade. It's like a brownish shade, but it kind of has like a hint of green to it. It's really, really pretty. Yeah, that's so pretty. Just simple, you guys. Simple, simple, simple. But also beautiful. I like that. I like that. That's good. That's good. Now for the lower lash line. I just want to take the shade Best Buds, which is the shade right here. Okay. And then for a lower inner corner highlight, I want to let's go in with the shade Elemental, which is that shade right there. All right. One eye down. Now let's get started on the other eye. I think I'm going to start with the shade. What do I want to do? Do I want to start with that one? No. Let's start with the shade Pure, which is this shade right here. Okay. Now I'm going to take the shade Success, which is this shade right here. And just kind of going to like deepen that crease. Now, I'm going to take some glitter glue, put that down. And for the shimmer shade, I think I am going to use, I don't know, this shade, oh man, there's two. This one right here, and then the shade next to it right here. They're both really, really pretty. But I think I'm going to go with the Flora, which is this one right here. It just looks a little shimmier, more shimmer. Looks like it has more shimmer. So I just kind of want to go in with that one. Like my brain has just been having a rough go lately. Okay, this is really pretty. Very, very, very pretty. I'm telling you what, you guys, Cara Beauty, they've got some great shadows, and their palettes are just so beautiful. I don't understand why more people aren't talking about them. And their stuff is very affordable as well. All right. Now for that lower lash line. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Sundial, which is this one right here for the lower lash line. All right, and then for that lower inner corner highlight, I am going to use the shade that I didn't use on the lid. It is Intention. So the shade right here. Okay, I am going to go do my mascara, tap out just a little bit of fallout, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so I am back, and these are the finished looks. And before I forget, because like sometimes I'm the worst at remembering the lip part, I'm wearing two of the Unearthly Cosmetics Satin Liquid Lipsticks. First I went in with the shade Diana, which it's like a grayish shade. And I just felt like it was too light. I don't know. I normally like it, but I just wasn't feeling it today. So then I went in and just kind of like traced around it with the shade Danielle, which is a much deeper brown shade, which is beautiful. And then I just kind of like pressed my lips together to kind of mix it together. And I really like what I'm dealing with now on the lips. Guys, I've had a hair like right around here all day and I just cannot get it off. It will not come off my face. Now I feel like I got one down here. It's just been an off day with everything in this house and weird things are happening, but it happens. What are you gonna do? But again, this was the Cara Beauty Viridescence palette. Just, you guys, absolutely beautiful. I did get this at TJ Maxx, but I think it is still available on the Cara Beauty website. They just have some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palettes, so I highly recommend checking them out. Really quick, another Cara Beauty palette that I picked up at TJ Maxx. This one was $12.99. It's the Hello Honey palette. Just really, I just want to show it to you guys because it's really, really pretty. And here's what that looks like. So yeah, just if you guys are just kind of in the market, there's like a new brand you want to try that's very affordable, has some really, really, really pretty palettes, check out Cara Beauty. Okay, these hairs on my face are just, I just want to like claw up my face. Oh, it is just absolutely killing me. I can't find it, but I can feel it. I hate when that happens. It happens all the time. I don't know what it is. But anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you remember that you're beautiful, you're loved, you're amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. If I survived these storms today, I will see y'all next weekend. And yeah, just have a wonderful day, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll survive, and I'll see y'all next weekend.